Hey yo, good morning. Welcome back to another video. We had a busy week this week. We first had the AMG GTS shoot for Christmas, which I really liked because it was one of the first cars I ever got to sit in. I will show a picture right here from when I was younger. And today we are doing something with one of these three cars. Yeah, I'm using my flashlight because the lighting is really bad here. Is it the Porsche Panamera, Ferrari 488 GTB or a 458? Fun fact, I found this car in my wardrobe, sitting there probably over 5 years, until I found it. Still a sick car. 458. A little present for today. Now that I'm home alone, I gotta be mature. Also, I got blessed with these sunglasses. I'm not sure what the name was, but I really like them. Even though it's winter, I'm still gonna rock them. Looking kind of fresh with these new sunglasses I got for Christmas. I will be dripping this summer. These roads look surprisingly good. Let's keep it below 50. So we're out here with the horses and a big horse to do some photos. We have the Ferrari 488 GTB, one of my, it is the first car, supercar I ever sat in. It was a yellow one, and this is a Spider. Man, just the lines, the headlines, it's a true Ferrari. So now it's time for some epic flybys. You just gotta hear those V8 twin turbos, man. That's insane. Ja, 3, 2, 1. Look at this interior, full black 488 Spider. We have the carbon fiber options, sport mode, Ferrari logo over there. Some more carbon fiber over here. Let's go to the door real quick. just gotta appreciate the beauty of this 488 GTB. We just got some really nice reactions from those dudes over there. Really kind guys. Just here at Temse Valley, or just Temse, and the sun's out. It was supposed to rain, but like I don't see any grey clouds over there. Maybe over there, but stay away from us.
Y me Porsche me quité.
That was insane. Now it's time to head on home. You can see it was a good day. So we made it home. That was pretty nice. I was thinking like the 458, it may be better than the 488, but this car, man, the sound, the feeling, the roof, the top down, like it's just unreal experience. I hope you liked it as much as I did. And I will see you in the next one.